You will be poor if you do this. The 7 financial sins. In the quest for financial success, it's essential to navigate the treacherous waters of personal finance wisely. Just as virtuous actions can lead to prosperity, there exist financial sins that can undoubtedly condemn you to a lifetime of financial struggle. In this article, we unveil the 7 most perilous financial sins that, if committed, can spell financial doom. Avoid these pitfalls at all costs to secure a brighter financial future. 1. The sin of procrastination. Imagine wealth as a shimmering treasure chest, waiting to be unearthed. Procrastination, however, acts as a relentless phantom, silently eroding this precious fortune. Each moment of delay in crucial financial choices, like setting aside funds for retirement or venturing into investments, snatches away not just your time but the magical multiplier that is compound interest. The longer you hesitate, the heavier the chains of missed opportunities become, binding your financial dreams ever tighter. It's like a race against time, where the finish line keeps moving farther away. The stark reality is this: procrastination is the thief of prosperity. But there is a way out of this quagmire. Refuse to be its prey. Cast aside the shackles of inaction and leap into action. Start today, not tomorrow, for time is a fleeting companion, and compound interest an impatient ally. Begin by sowing the seeds of savings and investments. Watch as your wealth sprouts and blossoms. Procrastination thrives in the shadows of indecision, but your financial future deserves the brilliance of immediate action. Seize the day, and let your wealth flourish. The battle against procrastination is not fought with swords but with determination, and the spoils are a lifetime of financial security and abundance. Your choice, your destiny. Don't let procrastination be the silent executioner of your financial dreams. 2. The sin of overspending. Picture your financial life as a delicate equilibrium, where every decision counts. Overspending, however, is like a tempestuous hurricane that disrupts this balance. It entices you into a treacherous dance with debt, using the allure of a luxurious lifestyle as bait. But beware, for this is a dance with dire consequences. When you succumb to the siren song of lavish living, debt begins to accumulate like dark clouds on the horizon. Soon, the storm strikes, unleashing relentless financial stress that seems never-ending. It's a cycle that tightens its grip, leaving you gasping for financial breath. Yet, there is a beacon of hope amidst the turmoil. It's the art of frugality, the pathway to financial serenity and prosperity. Embrace the wisdom of living within your means, and you'll find yourself on solid ground. It's not about denying yourself life's pleasures but rather choosing them wisely, ensuring they don't jeopardize your financial well-being. In the world of finance, balance is your guiding star. It's a dance of prudence, where every step taken ensures you remain on solid financial footing. Reject the allure of overspending, and you'll discover a realm where financial stability and prosperity intertwine. The path to lasting financial security is yours to tread, and it begins with your choices today. Refuse to be lured into the abyss, and instead, find your stride on the path to financial freedom. 3. The sin of neglecting financial education. Imagine your financial future as an intricate puzzle, with each piece representing a crucial aspect of your wealth. Neglecting financial education is akin to trying to solve this puzzle blindfolded. It's a dangerous gamble that can cost you dearly. In this complex financial world, ignorance is not bliss but a catalyst for financial missteps. The absence of financial knowledge can cast a dark shadow over your wealth, leaving you vulnerable to costly blunders in investments, taxes, and personal finance. It's like navigating uncharted waters without a map, hoping to reach a safe harbor. However, there is a beacon of enlightenment amidst the darkness. It's the pursuit of financial knowledge, a treasure trove of wisdom that can illuminate your path to prosperity. By dedicating time to understanding the intricacies of money management and financial planning, you empower yourself to make informed decisions. Financial education is your compass in the turbulent sea of finance, guiding you through the treacherous waters and helping you avoid the reefs of financial pitfalls. It transforms you from a spectator into a captain of your financial destiny. In the quest for financial success, remember that knowledge is your most potent weapon. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it be your guide. By doing so, you'll be equipped to conquer the challenges of finance and steer your ship toward the shores of prosperity, leaving the sin of neglecting financial education far behind. 4. The sin of ignoring emergency funds. Life is an unpredictable journey, and as you navigate its twists and turns, financial storms can strike at any moment. The sin of ignoring emergency funds is akin to sailing without a lifeboat in turbulent waters. It's a perilous oversight that can thrust you into the heart of a financial tempest, leaving you vulnerable and adrift. Imagine your financial well-being as a fortress, sturdy and resolute. Neglecting to establish an emergency fund is like leaving the gates wide open, inviting disaster to breach your defenses. But there's a simple yet powerful solution. Fortify your fortress with a well-funded emergency fund. The value of an emergency fund lies in its ability to shield you from the unexpected. It stands as your bulwark against job loss, medical emergencies, or unforeseen home repairs, providing you with a lifeline when you need it most. By aiming to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, you create a financial safety net that can weather the fiercest of storms. When a crisis strikes, you won't be forced to rely on high-interest loans or maxed-out credit cards. Instead, you'll have the means to weather the storm, preserving your financial well-being and peace of mind. The path to financial security begins with acknowledging the importance of an emergency fund and diligently building it over time. 5. The sin of debt mismanagement. Debt is a double-edged sword, capable of both empowering and enslaving. Mismanaging debt is akin to letting a beast run amok in your financial garden. It consumes your resources and leaves destruction in its wake. High-interest credit card debt, in particular, can be a formidable foe, relentlessly draining your finances. The sin of debt mismanagement is a grave mistake that can lead to financial ruin. Carrying a burdensome load of high-interest debt not only suffocates your finances but also restricts your financial freedom. However, there's a strategy for vanquishing this financial beast. Begin by prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debt, for it is the most insidious of foes. Devote your resources to slashing these towering interest rates and gradually regain control of your financial kingdom. But remember, not all debt is created equal. Prudent borrowing for essential investments, like education or a home, can be a stepping stone to financial success. The key is to take on manageable levels of debt when necessary, and only when the benefits outweigh the costs. It's a matter of taming the beast, not letting it rampage unchecked. In your financial journey, think of debt as a servant, not a master. By wielding it wisely and taming its excesses, you harness its power to propel you forward, rather than letting it shackle you to a lifetime of financial servitude. 6. The sin of overconfidence. Imagine your financial journey as a grand expedition, with unpredictable terrain and hidden traps. The sin of overconfidence is like setting out on this expedition blindfolded, convinced you possess an unerring sense of direction. It's a perilous belief that can lead you into treacherous waters, where significant losses lurk. Overconfidence is the siren song that tempts you to overestimate your financial knowledge and take unnecessary risks. It's the belief that you are immune to market volatility, the allure of speculative investments, and the temptation to neglect diversification. It's a mirage of invincibility in the realm of finance. Yet, the path to financial success is not paved with overconfidence but with prudence. To navigate the financial seas successfully, you must equip yourself with a well-thought-out financial plan. It's your compass, helping you steer clear of the dangerous reefs of speculative ventures and ensuring your portfolio is diversified to weather the inevitable storms. Moreover, don't hesitate to seek guidance from financial experts when the waters grow murky. They are the experienced navigators who can provide insight and wisdom to safeguard your financial voyage. Remember, humility is the ally of prosperity, while overconfidence is the harbinger of financial recklessness. 7. The sin of neglecting retirement planning. Retirement, the tranquil harbor at the end of life's journey, should be approached with foresight and diligence. The sin of neglecting retirement planning is akin to setting sail without a destination, hoping the winds will carry you to a secure retirement. It's a dangerous gamble that can leave you adrift in your golden years. Relying solely on government benefits or expecting to work indefinitely is a risky strategy. These are uncertain anchors in the sea of retirement. The key to securing a comfortable retirement is early planning and disciplined action. Start by mapping out your retirement goals and aspirations. Determine how much you need to retire comfortably and create a financial plan to achieve this. Contribute consistently to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs, taking advantage of employer-sponsored plans if available. Time is your greatest asset when saving for retirement, and early contributions can work wonders. Neglecting retirement planning is not just a financial oversight, it's a disservice to your future self. Picture your retirement as a masterpiece waiting to be painted. Each brushstroke represents your diligent contributions and prudent planning, crafting a vivid and secure future. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and explore these crucial financial insights. Your commitment to improving your financial well-being is commendable. By steering clear of these 7 financial sins, you're laying the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Financial success is a journey that requires both vigilance and education. It's not just about earning money but also about ensuring it works for you. So, I encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more valuable financial tips and guidance. In the end, your financial future rests in your hands. Make the choice to embrace financial discipline, engage in continuous learning, and make prudent decisions. By doing so, you'll not only secure your financial well-being but also break free from the grasp of these financial sins. Your path to financial freedom begins now, and your future self will undoubtedly thank you for it.